Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with just a little project share. I am entering a swap over on My Scrapbook Loft's YouTube channel, Judy. She is hosting a swap for 3 paperclip embellishments and I got a little sidetracked. I actually wanted to use these big paper clips, but then I was watching a video, I think it was from Dolly with Crafty Mermaid Mom, and she had made some altered paper clips, and I was like, oh, let me try to do this. So a little sidetrack. I don't know what the heck I was doing, so I don't know if I like them yet or not. But I guess they're just like charms now that you could just hang from your journal or whatever. But I made 2 of each, and yeah. My camera takes forever to focus. So I don't believe these are what I'm sending in for my swap, but yeah, I'm not sure what I'm doing with them, but I do have them. I don't let me know what you think about them. Have you guys made altar clips before? So in case, I started working on these paper clips, so I'm just gonna finish embellishing them, and this is what I'm actually gonna use for my swap. So hope you guys are having a great day. I'd like to welcome all my new subbies. Thank you for stopping by and joining us here. I appreciate your love and support, and all my subbies for your continued love and support. Don't forget, I am having a giveaway. If you look for my oh my gosh, my April 4th video. I keep saying September. If you see another video, you'll see that I said September as well. But if you look at my April 4th upload, you'll find a giveaway there. And it's just to celebrate you guys and all the love and support that you give me. And I appreciate it so much. So hope you guys are staying home and staying safe, staying crafty, spending time with your loved ones. You know, this is really gave us a chance to rethink a lot of things that we do in our daily lives. So hope you guys are having a crafty day, and until the next video, shakas.